How to fix Outlook group calendar not showing. So here I am in the Outlook application. So first, I will show you how to create a Outlook group calendar. Then I will show you how to fix it if you have some problems in showing it. So let's go to the calendar page, and then from here, let's go ahead and create a group calendar. So we can just right click and then just click new calendar group. And then from here, you can name your calendar group right here. So I'm just going to put group calendar and then enter. And then from here, we can add a blank calendar right here. So I'll just name it test calendar. Then let's add the calendar right here to the group calendar. And then click save. And then now you should have your group calendar right here. And then a simple way to fix this is, for example, you cannot see your group calendar. It is because you have hidden it. So for example, if I right click and then if I click show selected calendars, as you can see, we cannot see the group calendar anymore. So from here, you can just click show all, and then you should now see your group calendar right here. Another way is that you can just go ahead and right click and then click show more calendars. And then keep in mind, if you have your group calendar selected right here, but you still just show selected calendars right here, as you can see, you just have the name for your test calendar. But this is also included in your group calendar if you just click show all right here. And then that is the simple way to fix it. So if you have tried this method and you still cannot see your calendar group right here, so there might be a bug in your Outlook application. So maybe you have updated Outlook and then it has a bug. And then to fix that, we can try repairing Outlook. So from here, you can just go to search, then click installed applications, or type in install applications in the search bar. Then just click install apps. From here, you should see all of your applications right here. So in this search bar, just type in Outlook. And then we need to close Outlook first for this to work. And then from here, go to advanced options, scroll down, and then click repair. From there, you can open your Outlook application again to see if the problem is fixed. So if the problem is still not fixed, you can try clicking the reset button right here. But keep in mind, if you do this, the application's data will be deleted. So what that means is that it will bring back your Outlook application to the default state. So what you need to do is that when you open Outlook again, you just need to sign in to your account again so that you can access your Outlook account. And then if it's still not working, we can try another way. So what we can do is that we can open the control panel. Then from here, go to programs and features. From here, search for Microsoft 365 apps. So you can see it right here, which is this one, Microsoft 365 apps for business. Click change, click yes. Then you can try the repair function right here as well. So you can try quick repair so that you can fix your issue quickly without using an internet connection. But if it's still not working, you can try online repair. So this will fix all issues, but will just take a little longer and requires an internet connection. And then you can just go ahead and click the option that you want and then click repair. And then click repair again right here. So this will take a while, so you just need to wait for this to finish. And then you can open Outlook again to see if the problem is fixed. And then that is it. So that is how we can fix the Outlook group calendar not showing. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.